Kamachielo jokanya sekta mar somo mawuok e alwora mar Afrika ma Ugwe romo e boma Nairobi romo mar ariyo mar rango weche mag somo e alworano ka geta margi en keto lokruok kendo jiwo wechego mag somo. Kata bed ni wacho ni somo sani oselandre e gwenge mathoth, jokanya wacho ni pod nitiere dwaro mane gwenge duto e alwora mar Afrika ma Ugwe nyithindo duto yudo thuolo mar somo kendo kedo kod nok mar jopuonj.
What I've seen is countries, the partner states have, we could say, marginally increased the number of kids who are going to school. We've seen a lot of increase in the number of countries that are paying attention to curriculum in the community. More or less all the 8 countries are now trying to move into competency-based curriculum, away from objective-oriented curriculum, which is a good thing, moving away from high-stakes examination to assessing whether children are learning and finding interventions that are working from them. We have countries that are implementing teaching at the right level in certain pockets. Some countries are already doing this at scale, which is a good thing. So this is a huge progress for the community.
And there's evidence that is showing that when we make competency-based education the core of our investment in education, we are likely to reap the greatest benefit, because we are not just interested in graduating students and learners who are knowledgeable, but people who are able to think about solutions, who can innovate, and who can make a meaningful contribution towards their country's economic, social, and other aspects and dimensions of development.